Hi, this is Ty. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create this effect in Photoshop. First, let us set up the canvas size. Set the width to 2160 pixels, set the height to 2160 pixels, and set the resolution to 300 dpi. This gives you a high-resolution square canvas. Next, type in any text you like. Then, select both the text layer and the background layer. To do this, hold down the Command key on Mac or the Control key on Windows, and click both layers one by one to select them together. Now, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. This makes your effects easier to edit later. Let us add some blur to simulate a soft ink bleed. Go to Filter, then Blur Gallery, and choose Field Blur. Field Blur lets you place pins on the image and adjust the blur level for each one. In this case, add a gentle blur to soften the text. Now, we will adjust the contrast using levels. Press Command and L on Mac or Control and L on Windows. Then move the sliders to boost contrast between black and white. This will make the ink bleed effect more dramatic. Let us add more realism using the ripple effect. Go to Filter, then Distort, and choose Ripple. Set the amount to medium. This adds natural waves that simulate real ink spread. Now we add texture to the surface. First, make sure your foreground color is black and the background color is white. Then go to Filter, open Filter Gallery, choose Texture, and select Texturizer. I chose Canvas as the texture, but you can pick what you like. Set the scaling to 150%, set the relief to around 4 to 6, and set the light direction to top. Here's what it looks like when you zoom in. Next, let's add a paper texture. Place it above all the other layers, and adjust the blending mode until it looks just right. If you want to change the color of the ink, follow these steps. Select the Smart Object layer that has the ink. Go to Select, then choose Color Range. Click on the ink area and set the fuzziness to the maximum value. When the selection is ready, press Command and J on Mac or Control and J on Windows. Add a solid color adjustment layer. Pick your favorite color. Now hold down the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows and click between the two layers to create a clipping mask. If the original layer is still showing, just hide it. Now you have a beautiful ink bleed style text in any color you like. And with that, design is complete. How was it? Pretty easy, right? Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.